Hi, welcome to IT Boys Solutions. Today our topic is to automatically start an EC2 instance at a specific time in the morning and shut down it as well in the evening. This is a very good solution and it also saves 60% of your cost. For example, previously you are running a server 24 hours a day, but now you will run it for only office timing, for example 8 hours, right? So you are just saving more than 33% on a day. So for this we need 4 AWS services, which are these. IAM is basically identity access management, in which we can handle and manage users, roles, policies, groups. Okay, and in Lambda we are going to write a Python function which will tell role from IAM part that you need to stop, now you need to start, whatever you want to do you have to write in Lambda function. And CloudWatch is going to do cron work, right? For cron, yes, the same cron you use in the Ubuntu or Linux, right? And EC2, yes, we need some servers to stop and start, so for that we need EC2. So friends, let's go to the lab work, and please log in your console so that you can do it step by step. And yes, you will get all the code related this in the description box. Okay, so let's go to the Amazon console. First of all, let's go to IAM service IAM. I am already here, so now go to roles. So these are my roles for my work purpose. Let's leave them and create a new one. Okay, and AWS services, yes, select it, and now select the Lambda one, right, because we are going to use Lambda function. And now next, click on permissions. Here we need to provide the permissions. For example, you are going to execute a Lambda function, so of course you need a Lambda permission, right? So this is a basic Lambda basic execution policy which you should assign to this role. And another one is EC2. Now you want your servers to start and stop, so that's a kind of admin access, so you can provide this Amazon EC2 full access and click on next tags. These are optional, you can leave them, and click on next review. Just provide a name. For example, I am giving it a Lambda role for auto start and stop, anything. Okay, auto. And here you can see that which policies you have assigned. Policies means you can say that permissions. This role is having permissions of Lambda and EC2. Now click on create role, and within few seconds your role is ready. So role is nothing, it's equal to a user. On left panel you can see that users, groups, roles and policies, right? So role is nothing, it's just a kind of user, but you cannot log in a console with roles, right? So this is the difference between user and role. So but role is going to do all the activity which a user can do. So now you are done with IAM part, right? So now let's move to the next service, which is Lambda. So in Lambda we are going to create a Python function which will fetch, means which will get information about instances which are stopped and get them to an array and will perform action on them. So let's move to the here Lambda. So go. Okay, let's create a Lambda function. Yes, from scratch, give it a name. For example, now you need 2 Lambda functions, one to start EC2 instances and another to stop them. So let's name it auto EC2 underscore start, and we are going to need Python. So select Python Yes, choose an existing role which you just created a few seconds ago. Lambda role for auto. Create function. Yeah, your see the message, congratulations, your Lambda function auto has been successfully created. You can now change its code and configuration. Choose test to input a test event when you want to test your function. So here this is the test function. You can use it, but we are not going to use it in this video. So now this, remove this and copy the Python function, which is this start.py. This is my file. If suppose you have 5 or 10 instances which are stopped, and but you want to use only 2 of them, like in the morning only this instance will stop, so you don't need to provide instance IDs of that instances. You just need to give a tag. So where you can specify, I will tell you. So filter is, it will get all the instances which have a tag name auto on and its value should be true. So let's go in the EC2 part and I will show you. For example, this is my Jenkins server, and description, this is its IPs, and when we move to tag, so you can see that auto off true, auto on true, right? So right now we are talking about starting, so just see this auto on and true. So you just need to provide this tag. In tags, just click another server and check tags. It doesn't have any tags, right? So this instance is not going to affect with your Lambda function. Check another, this one. Yeah, this also have these kind of tags, so it will be on or off at specific time. You would tell in the later section, right? So just check this twice while applying, and let's just for now copy this and paste it in a Lambda function. So we are done with it, and it will find the servers which has tag auto on with value true. If you change the value, so it will not work, and which are already in stop state. Okay, so and it will, what it will do, it will start them, starting up with EC2 instances which were stopped. So this is the simple Lambda function in Python, and now I'm going to save it. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to go in CloudWatch. So now we have made a Lambda function which is saying that go and find servers which are having tag auto on and having value true and start them. But when that we are going to do in this part. So this is CloudWatch area of Amazon. This is a service, and just go to rules. Now here you need to create a rule. Create a rule is simple like a cron. Okay, so just click on schedule and click on cron expression, and remember it is only accepting timing on GMT. Okay, so for example now 10:24 PM. So let's say we want our servers to be started 10:30 PM to GMT. Okay, so it would be 5 PM. Okay, so let's 5 PM. So let's set a cron which will work on 5 PM. So let's come to this document and 5 PM. Okay, so 5 is I think 17:00, right? And you can provide days as well, Monday to Friday, Monday to Tuesday, and this is just your cron rule which you can provide. And let's go to the rule section, and yeah, you are done. So this will also tell you that at Wednesday 20, 21, 22 and 23 and 24 are missing. Why? Because that are Saturday, Sunday. So you can change this cron accordingly. It's just a simple cron. Okay, now you need to add a target. So okay, this will run on this timing, but what to do? So now you are specifying what to do. So in add target, click this drop down list and select a lambda function that you want to call a lambda function. Okay, but specify a name. There are multiple lambda functions, so you made a auto EC2 start, right? So just select it and configure details, name it EC2 auto start. Sorry, just copy paste it, or if you want to provide any extra information you can provide in the description. Create rule. Okay, so now your rule is created. Okay, now you are saying that there is a logs in the left panel. Yeah, here logs, just click here. Right now you are not going to see anything, but when this rule triggered, it will print logs there. Okay, so now we just need to wait for 4 minutes so that we can check what our lambda function and what our rule is going to do. Okay, now let's move to the EC2 section, and here I can show you that this is my Jenkins server which is already in running state, and we have made a lambda function to start them, which has these kind of values: auto, on, true. Okay, and this is my Ansible server which is also having this auto, on, true. So let's wait for 3 minutes, and then it is going to start this server. So if you don't mind, I am pausing my video for 2 or 3 minutes till 10:30, and I will be back soon. When it's 10:30. Let's see. So okay, so now what you have seen that its state changed to pending. So now its state would be in starting and running as soon as the server goes start. So friends, this is going to work for your stop as well. Like now you can see that it's initializing, and now we are moving towards our rule section, in which I told you about logs, right? So previously there wasn't any logs, so now you can see the logs as well. Okay, at this time, found credential in environment variable. Okay, start request. Okay, start request for this info, this date, time and all, and instance ID. This is the instance ID, you can match. Okay, let's check the last 4 to 5 digit, DA562. Okay, DA562. Yeah, the DA562. Okay, and request this, and report request this duration, this. So in short, your the lambda function and the rule is working properly, and this is the script for stop instance. So guys, you just need to go in the lambda function and click on functions, create a function, and just give it a name like auto EC2 stop. Select Python again and choose your role, this lambda role which you created, create function, and just copy this this method, and again go to the CloudWatch and click on rules and create one more rule for this. Was to start servers, now you need to make for stop servers. So just put the timings accordingly and select a different method here. This is for start, just select the stop method. So don't worry about this method. I'm going to post it on the description part. Okay, and let's move to our slide and see is something left or not. Okay, in our next video we will be doing the same for RDS database instances. Yes, previously there wasn't any facility to stop your DB instances, but recently Amazon gave that, and so you can also do the same for that, but that is quite different from it. Okay, so we will discuss this in our next video. Okay, thank you, see you in next session. If it was helpful, please share with your friends and support me. And if you have any query, you can write me at itboysin@gmail.com. Thank you.